So this is how you can find trending products for your TikTok shop. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok, and here I am in our showcase. We're gonna want to tap on find products to promote, and this will bring us to the product marketplace. This is where you can find products to shop and affiliate in your videos. So let's go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, there's this recommended for you section. Now generally what you're gonna want to look for is those trending products with a lot of products sold. As you can see, this water bottle has 42.3 thousand sold, and right under that is a t-shirt that has 106,000 sold. So generally you're gonna want to choose these and add these to your showcase. You're gonna want to look for products to have over maybe 30,000 sold, because it's going to be easy for you to sell them just because a lot of people really like them. And here's another thing, you could even get samples of that product so that you can show it in your video. Not only will you get a free product from them, but you will also get their commission and new followers. So yeah, that is how you can find trending products. The key thing is looking for the most sold and then adding them to your showcase. That way, your products will only consist of trending items that people actually want and not random things that you just picked from nowhere. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.